Hey guys, how's it going? Today we got another cool horn to look at. So this is a kind of a rare horn, not very common. It is a horn offered by Nathan Airchime though, so it's not a collaboration of parts put together. You can order this horn from Nathan. So these are out in the wild too on the railroad. They're just not common. So this is a raised letter horn. It's actually brand new. It's early 2023. This is a K3LP. So it has a 1L, it has a 1, and like a K3 HL would have a 2, this actually has a 3B. So it's a 1L, a 1, and a 3B. So that 3B bell, a little hard to find, not a lot of them, but this horn is equivalent to like an RS3L. It kind of mimics that same sound and does a pretty good job. Now, people say that this single piece 1L, they say this horn with a single piece 1L doesn't sound quite as good as with a two-piece 1L. I've heard that with a two-piece 1L with these other two horns, it sounds a lot better and a lot closer to an RS3L. I haven't tried it yet. In the future, I will probably do a video comparing this, which is its normal, normal bell set, compared to this with a two-piece 1L. So it'll be interesting to see the difference there. But apparently there's a pretty large difference. So anyway, cool sounding horn. I really actually like this horn. I wasn't 100% sure how I was going to like it, and then I blew it and I was like, wow, that actually sounds pretty good. So pretty cool horn. So I guess that's about it, guys. Y'all enjoy this. This is the Nathan Airchime, the 2023 K3LP.